Meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal will be challenged by Kiran Bedi in the race to become the Chief Minister, but contesting against him in New Delhi will be young gun Nupur Sharma. Nupur, a former Delhi University student leader, is optimistic about her chances. Speaking to Times Now, Nupur says that she is not a scapegoat and in fact she has a stronger model for Delhi compared to her adversaries.
First big announcement after the BJP's parliamentary party meet. But after BJP formalized Bedi's elevation as its CM face to take on Kejriwal, the next big announcement was BJP's contender to take on Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat. That challenge fell on the shoulders of the young gun, Nupur Sharma.
I would feel like a scapegoat if it was against somebody who is worth his soil, somebody who's consistently taking U-turns, who's just not solid on what he says, whose ideology is a big round, who doesn't know what he's all about, he's a mixed bag of everything. I don't think that's going to be a problem.
The Aam Aadmi Party dismissed Nupur Sharma's chances.
There is no challenge because Arvind Kejriwal opted to have a political route to fixing problems where there was nothing. He did not work on a ready-made platter. He worked very hard. People of Delhi, people of India literally supported. Today he stands for his values. He has not been opportunistic of any kind.
In fact, the first list of 62 names released by the BJP found place for Vinod Kumar Bini and Jagdish Mukhi, while Krishna Tirath was given a ticket on the day of her joining the BJP after jumping ship from the Congress. BJP Delhi unit head Satish Upadhyay's name was missing from the list though, and sources saying voices of dissent within the party may grow in the coming days.
सारे स्टेटमेंट को मैंने खुद बातचीत की है, मीडिया ने तोड़ मरोड़ कर रखे हैं, पार्टी में कोई विवाद नहीं है। इस निर्णय के लिए कैडर का टॉप से बॉटम तक का हर कार्यकर्ता सहमत है।
There is a sense in the BJP that the manner in which she has started to rather posture herself as the chief ministerial candidate itself, even prior to the announcement, this is something which is not going down good with the BJP Delhi leadership and including the BJP member of parliament that is Manoj Tiwari.
With allegations of new entrants given preferential treatment, all doesn't seem well within the BJP ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. Bureau Report, Times Now.